what a pump Bitcoin is having right now. You can see here currently it has touched $76,000. It is currently at $75,000 after Trump has won the election. So guys, I will be jumping straight into exactly where I see price heading to. So you can see here clearly at the moment it is at an all-time high. Previously the all-time high was around that 73,000 region, and it did touch to a new all-time high around that 76,000 region here. You can see here around 76,000, pretty much on the dot in terms of where it head to. So clearing all this, and I can show you what exactly has been happening. So you can see here over here previously around 2021 that double top pattern was formed around here. Ever since then it was dumping all the way back down to the lows around that 17,000 region before creating that support pattern and then heading back up towards this all new time high. So you can see here that support pattern being formed around 2022 October time before doubling that bottom pattern and then going all the way up to where it is at the moment. So you can see here this resistance level has been completely smashed back around March 2024, and ever since then it has retouched this level here and completely smashed through it here as well. You can see here if I rearrange it around down here, you can see the support formed over here as well. It's pretty strong level of support. You can see here the amount of times it was rejected around this region, and ever since then it had created a very strong level of support and has been bouncing across that 50,000 region before going up to the all new time high. And this all time high happened just today after Trump did get elected. So you can see around the sort of confluence that happens with this election as well. So again, removing all these diagrams, you can see here if I create this region here, you can see this resistance level formed around here previously where that all-time high was around that 70,000 region. You can see here where exactly this candle was formed. If this month stays above this resistance over here, there is a very strong possibility of it going forward, completely smashing that 80,000 region towards that all-time high around that 100,000 region. So just be aware of exactly what's been happening. If it does fall below this region, there is a strong chance it will be ranging between these two levels here around that 50,000 to that 70,000 region. So you can see here there is that range formed around here, so just be aware of exactly what is happening around this month. If it does stay above this, there is a strong chance of a retest around that resistance level, creating that level of support before going up to an all new time high. So just be aware of exactly what's been happening. But in this recent sort of news with election going, Trump winning and so on, there is a very strong possibility of continually to pump to the 80,000 region, 90,000 region and so on. So just be aware of exactly what's happening. Even going down to the daily, you can see here how this range is being formed just using the same region. You can see, in fact, if I remove these drawings and I'll create a new level of range, you can see here again around that 73,000 region, and copying this, you can see here the amount of times it's just been ranging between 50,000 to that 70,000 region, the amount of times it's been bouncing across high lows, higher highs and so on. So you can see here the amount of patterns that has just been forming just through this over here, the amount of times just been ranging between these regions. Just be aware of exactly what's been happening. So this has to be staying above this resistance level in order for a new high. Just be aware exactly where it's heading to. If not, they will be falling back into this range and just be ranging all this time. So guys, this is a quick video in terms of where I see Bitcoin heading to. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below in terms of what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.